They taught us a lot, and we thank them for what they did for us. What I realized when I was here, that I learned only one word in Indian. So how to say Namaste. 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 And this taught me one thing, that when I came here, I came for only one goal, that I came to learn. And I came to concentrate of what I came for. So it didn't, give me a time to engage to different things, but I was concentrating for what I came for. And that is came from the institute, because they taught us how to be functional and how to be committed to what we came for. So my thanks goes to the center. The other things also, I want to thank the center because they give us the opportunity to come from far and to be part of those batches who attend all those courses. So I thank them again for this opportunity, and also we will recommend our people to come here, or we also asking the center if they can transfer the knowledge to our country. So thanks again for Mr. Prasad. Thank you.
We are also very thankful to your management. There are some participants from electrical batch.
Very good evening,
Can I see
everyone.
Mr. John?
Yes,
Good evening.
my name is Simon from that. I'm happy. This is a pleasure and a privilege to stand you here. Thank you that you give a chance. I'm still here, a student. I didn't graduate. I am in electrical engineering design. Now we have 2 weeks. I want first to greet those of those who did for the piping. Can you raise your hand? I need you to clap for them, really good clap. Because staying 3 months and half in seat, you are more than heroes. I came here, I was working, I have 1 month, and I spent 2 weeks, and I still was that this is a long time. But you spent more than me, so now I wish that you pray for us that we can continue. But for you are more than heroes, because seat really is they are doing very good, giving good knowledge for all the people, and they remind us. I have graduated 5 years ago, but now they remind us with our college, and I like what I like about them is the discipline they are giving to us, and I want also to give thanks to Sid and to our CEO Mr. Prasad. And also I want to thank our company, that drone operating company, to give us the chance. And I know I have faced that at the end I will go with the knowledge, with the great knowledge from here, and I will go also. It will be a good chance also to know many people. Now I know many people with my classmates, and I will make sure also before I leave also. I like also one suit from India. They call them kurta. So also I will make sure also that I will take. So thank you for this opportunity. Thank you again.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
I'm so glad and happy to be here among you today as we are celebrating our colleagues who are graduates. Not only that, I'm so happy to be among the students who are here with SIT. Why I say this? Because I fly for almost 7 hours coming from Africa to India. It's not an easy decision, but there is 2 strong reasons behind this. One of them is SIT. Because I know this institute from one of our colleagues who've been here before. But in my nature, I used to confirm everything. So I went online and I searched about the SIT. a lot of things attract me. One of them is the rules, material they provide to you. And for someone like me, I have something like 7 years now working. So when you get such institute which can give you skills, first of all, not knowledge, it will be a great opportunity for you to join. That's why I came here to develop my skills. So I do encourage those who graduate now. Don't say that I already left this with a very good certificate, that's why I will be satisfied. Because the field of the engineering society is a developed field. So you have to develop your skills according to the necessity and the need of the nowadays. So you have to continue such spirit and you have to visit SIT time to time. Second, seriously speaking, when I come to SIT, I just come from where I come to gather knowledge and develop my skills. But I get in the place where it can motivate you to achieve your goals. Because they will let you focus and focus for what you come for. And that is the beginning of achievement, and that is the beginning of success. So thank you so much, and I wish you success always, as long as you are helping new graduates, experienced people to achieve their goals. So thank you so much, and thank you again.
Thank you so much. Well shared experience.
Actually, I was actually feeling very shy to come in front and speak to all of you. But inside I could feel something, and that is just gratitude and the feeling of thanks that I got this opportunity to spend my time here for the past 3 months. And can everyone hear me? Yes. Okay. I'm talking to Mr. Vasan sir and the whole faculty and all the people at SIT and ATS, because what we have experienced for the past 3.5 months, it cannot be put in words. My parents, above anything, they always, even if I don't succeed academically, or if I get low marks, or I'm struggling in my studies, they don't have a problem. But at the end of the day, it's the character, it's the way I'm behaving with people, it's the way I'm depicting myself in society. And I think these 3.5 months, the things that I have learned, my parents are feeling the difference. When I'm talking to them now, they can feel the difference in me, the way I'm showing myself, the way I'm presenting myself, the way I'm talking about different problems. My dad, just few days ago, he told me that he's a little bit more proud of me, that I actually went for this 3.5 months, and and my whole piping engineering course, we know the amount of hard work that we have done for the past 3.5 months. We are nothing but heroes, and wherever we could be, we're going to go, we're going to rock it, I'm sure. And
self-appreciation is very good. You are very proud of you. I can also say we are very proud of you.
Thank you. I'm really thankful and I'm really honored to actually come here and stand here and talk in front of you, because I don't think if I had come and spoken about SIT and given my appreciation, I don't think I would have gotten sleep also today, and it would have made me feel very bad. And people are telling me also, go speak and express your feelings. So I'm really happy that I came here, and thank you, that's all.
Why is it demanding for Irfan? Irfan can speak. Irfan, fast. I'm going ahead. Irfan was on demand, okay?
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, Irfan. This perfume, I mentioned.
Actually, it's good.
हाँ? उन्होंने बोला तो मैंने बोला ना?
तारीफ कर रहा था.
तारीफ कर रहे थे.
So hope everyone is doing good.
Yes.
We have learned a lot in SIT. So, like the most important thing is the manners and how to behave with your elders. Not only the studies, but each and everything, every aspect of your life, everything that you're gonna do in your life, in your future, you learn here. Not about the piping, sir. Piping. And काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं.
नहीं पाइपिंग पहले है ऐसा मत बोलो.
पाइपिंग तो हर जगह होती है मैम, लेकिन यहाँ पे बहुत चीज़ें जो होती हैं वो
पाइपिंग के अलावा कुछ सीखा क्या?
Yeah, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. Like many things I've learned a lot from Vasant sir, and the most important thing is the punctuality, sir, and commitment. Thank you, sir, for teaching us, and we got that opportunity. And
एक बार बात भी का भूल गया सर.
so for everyone, I would like to खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि खुद खुदा बंदे से पूछे कि बता तेरी रज़ा क्या है. हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से पूछे कि बता तेरी रज़ा क्या है. So make yourself like this only. Keep going in your life, work hard, and I wish all of you for your successful future. Thank you.
Thank you, Irfan, and every each one of you who have shared their experience. As gentleman rightly said, we have come to develop the skill, and I think that is within you right now. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So today we are going to be honored with the certification of post-graduation diploma. I have some stress engineers also along with me. I wanted to hear from my participants who have been ex-student of mine from piping engineering batch and MEP also. So I would request you to come, and because after so many years he was been doing his piping and one of my other engineers searching was doing MEP. I would like you to also share 2 words which has really gave you the platform in the engineering.
Good evening, friends.
Good evening, Sachin.
I will not take much of this. Is Sachin Gandhi, and I'm proud that I'm associated with SIT, though late, after 17 years of my graduation. So definitely I see most of you as a young face. So getting associated with SIT is really very good for you, because 3-4 years of my after B mechanical was really a struggling period. So I think you are ahead of me. And I am associated with SIT for MEP and this, and I would like to associate with it even in future, because learning is never ending process, and I would suggest you also should go in the same direction. And I wish you all the best and have a great evening. Thank you.
Hello everybody.
Hello.
This is Argajit Chakravarti. First of all, I'd like to congratulate all the fresh engineers who are now piping engineers, and hopefully will do great in the field of piping engineering. And of course the electrical engineers who are going to get their certificate next week. Best of luck to you as well. I'm an ex-student of Suvidya, so I had done piping engineering course just like you in the year 2006, and eventually now currently I am working as a lead piping engineer in Saudi Arabia, and in the meantime I used to feel like I wanted to take the advanced stress classes, but I never got time to take the classes, and this year I had a plan, so here I am taking the stress classes, and I am quite happy that what I had in my mind I will take from the advanced stress classes. I think I am more than satisfied, and I am quite hopeful that I will be able to use this skill that I have gained. Thanks to Mr. Gaurav, I will be able to use this skill in my work, and I thank Mr. Vasant Mistry sir. He has been teaching for a long time, and I know how his teaching principles have been propagated in this Suvidya all these years, and I can see that in the faculties as well. So once again, thank you for imparting us good education, and it really means great. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much for especially a piping engineers, 3.5 months, as my electrical engineer said. They feel 8 o'clock sharp means punctuality, timing, reaching on time, staying far away, sleepless nights. It's a really fact. I've been witnessing for it, morning 8 o'clock to evening 10 o'clock. 3.5 months, no sleep, no Sunday holiday. Sunday holidays for the namesake, but that same day, why the holidays? Why these assignments are this? But today you will be achieving that, what the effort been put in. Efforts are always been recognized and rewarded. It has to be increased in implementation now. It's all the way and path shown by Prasad sir, but you need to follow, because always learning is good, implementation becomes difficult. So prove yourself by implementation. Now you'll be certified by post-graduation diploma. I would like to take first the training batch of stress analysis. I request Mayur Mehta sir to please come forward and award our engineers with the certification. I'd like to take upon first the stress analysis batch. The first ranker, Mr. Arjit Chakraborty. Can you please come forward? Round of applause. Even 15 days you get the same effort, right? You should really appreciate. Sachin Gandhi, please. Mr. John, good. Is there? He's not come. He's come from US for the studies all the way, but I think he's not available right now. Okay. Now I take over for the post-graduation for mechanical batch first. As we are having sir from mechanical head, will be awarding to you the certificate. The first ranker from mechanical batch number 51, Mr. Gokul Krishna. Mr. Neeraj Shinde, please come first, huh? Mr. Tushar Shelu after him. Tushar Shelu. Varun Naik, come forward first. Mudassar Inamdar. They deserve round of applause. My dear, there are 60 people around you. Mr. Nino. Mr. Baushi. Thank you so much, Mayur sir. Take your seat. I request Madam Gaurav sir to please sir, just felicitate Sir Gaurav Bende sir and his team to come forward for the photograph with him.